Hello lovely friends, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. Today I'm going to be showing you an interesting recipe which you are going to love. We are going to make this simple snack which is chocolate bounty. Now, to make chocolate bounty you will need desiccated coconut. So I have my desiccated coconut here and I've made a video on how you can make this. This is 1 cup of desiccated coconut, so I'm going to pour in half cup of condensed milk into it. And I'm going to use a spatula to mix this until it's well incorporated. I'm done mixing this. Once it's well mixed and you can easily mold this into a ball, it means it's ready. Next, I'm going to bring the coconut mixed into a mold which I have already lined with a parchment paper. So I'm just going to spread this out in the mold. Okay guys, so I've flattened this with a spoon. Next, I'm going to place this in the freezer for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. I've taken this out of the freezer, so now I'm going to take this out of the mold. It has become a little bit firm, and what I'm just going to do, I'm going to cut this in the middle like this. Once I've cut this in the middle like this, I'm going to cut this again into bars. Now I've cut this into equal bars, so I'm going to set this aside. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to melt some chocolate bars which I made at home, and I have a video which I've made this already, so you can check that out. I'm just going to break them into smaller pieces, just like this. I'm going to melt this chocolate until I have a very smooth texture. Once I've had my chocolate completely melted and there's no lump in it, I'm going to turn off heat and take this out of the water. I'm going to bring the coconut bars into the melted chocolate and I'm going to allow it to coat nicely in the melted chocolate, and I'm going to transfer it to a parchment paper. And I'm going to repeat this. Once I've had all the bars laid out on the parchment paper, I'm going to leave this to set. You can place this in the fridge for an hour for it to set. Just about an hour, our bouncy bars are ready, so I'm going to be lifting this up. They have all become firm, so it's easy to lift and it doesn't stain. So this is what you're looking for. I'm just going to transfer it into a dish. So guys, this is what it looks like. It melts easily in the mouth. I just want to have a taste of this. That's really amazing. I love chocolate bounty. So guys, I hope you try out this simple dessert. It's really delicious. This was how to make chocolate bounty at home. When you have succeeded in making this recipe, please let me know in the comment section. And also, you can share this video with your friends. Please, if you are new here for the first time, subscribe and click on the bell button. Give me a thumbs up. Until next time guys, thank you for tuning in again. Bye for now.